Today we're gonna make roast pork. This is a very big Dutch pot. See, we're gonna steam it, kind of tenderize it for a little time. I'm gonna time it and let you know. Today we're actually gonna roast 25 pounds of pork chops, but these are not thin slice. It's really pork chops. That's true?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Rodney is my chef. He's cooking the pork. I think they're having some kind of special event.
So here we go.
Wait, let me sit down. This is the roast pork.
Avatar seasoning.
I'm gonna write down the ingredients and let you know. So it's all, you know, natural country seasoning and so forth. So I'll let you know what the ingredients is. So this is 25 pounds. Take up one of them, Rodney. 25 pounds of pork chops. Just gonna hold it over it and turn it around. I want piece that.
Yeah.
And fold it now. Yeah. That's a big piece.
Yeah.
Alright, so that piece of pork look like pork whatever. I don't know pork parts, but that's a piece of pork. Alright, go ahead now. So we know.
What we do is have them wrapped in the pot like that. It's seasoned and everything.
I didn't put any oil in it, right? You just put the pot.
We don't need any oil in the pot.
You just put the pot in and make it hot for about 15 minutes on oil. And just going, didn't put no oil in.
You gotta spring it one oil and everything.
Okay.
Yes, I don't need any excess oil.
I don't need to add any oil.
No.
So what he's doing is just taking off the season off it. You going to put the season on top of it?
Yeah. That way the season gets to soak right through and through. Wow, you can smell that beautiful
aroma. It smells really
coming
nice.
from it. That's beginning to tempt you. You already want to eat.
Eat it raw. Yeah, people, it smells really. You can smell the natural seasoning aroma, just fragrant in the place, you know? Yeah, wait till it work down and then put that I will let you cook?
Yeah. I'm gonna get that different side of the dirt. I'm gonna try to do the dirt more side than that part here.
Jerk or tenderize?
That tenderize more side than that part here. So that is enough for the night now.
Or marinate it more, you know? Like steam marinating.
Yeah. Tenderize it.
Tenderizing and marinating too, you know? Because we kind of, the objective of this is we want the pork to capture the ingredients. So what we're doing now is we're gonna steam it before we start before we put it on the grill.
We notice now what we do now is drain some of these sweatings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because what did that mean? I jerked this from last night, so it's marinated overnight, 24 hours.
So I cover now. Low fire. What it is going to do now, it is going to sweat. A whole lot. I don't have to add water to it. It is going to sweat its own water.
Yeah, it's going to create its own water.
It's
Yeah.
going to create its own water. And that way you get it
The natural flavor.
real tasty.
The real taste.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because we doesn't add water to kill the seasoning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now the flavor.
Not the flavor.
So that's it. We put the stove on.
On a low fire.
On medium.
Yeah.
Medium. This is a very big pot, so
Yeah.
you don't want it too low because it's gonna take forever. So
Yeah.
this is like medium. Aye. Cause this is a big pot, it's on high. But if we were cooking a small proportion, you would steam it down on like medium low. Yeah, so we're back to our pork. So it's back to tenderizing it. So it's been 35 minutes, so now we're gonna turn it.
We're gonna give it a stir. Try to get these on the top and the bottom. What is on the bottom and the top.
Alright, get that close up so I can see what it looks like. The pot's so heavy and big, him don't need to hold it, it just stay one place.
Yeah, see.
Pork lovers out there.
Ow.
Make the meat look nice and you can see the pork meat. So what to do the bottom?
Yeah.
You can see it?
Yeah.
And if we can see it too. Turn it aside, make sure we can see the much
See
water.
there? See there? I see the water?
And you didn't put any in it, so it's just creating its own gravy.
I'm going to create more. Yeah? See here?
Where is this? Why it looks so brown? You put a little brown in it?
No, it's the cooking, yeah. We put a little brown in it.
Like how much to the spoon? You use like one of that tablespoon?
Like one of this cooking spoon of brown in.
Alright, you look nice.
Yeah. So, this is ready now to go into the grill pan. You understand?
Why you say no at first? Because you don't have to add it if you never want. No.
Eh? Yeah, you don't have to add it.
Okay, so the browning is optional.
Yeah.
But you Jamaicans, people, you need to know that Jamaicans, we like to see our food have a little brown color. We don't like to see our food look white. So that's one of the secret to how we cook. So this took nearly about 3 hours. We just keep it covered and the pot simmered. And you see how much water it came up to?
And lower fire.
Yeah. So you took pieces of core from that fish.
Yeah, start with the jerk fire. And we're gonna jerk the pork. Finish roast pork. Yeah.
So by just taking out a few pieces out of the fire, that's catch and putting in this. It's just catching this by itself. So that's all you need to catch this.
I'm going to drop some pork on the grill now.
Pork.
Yeah. So now is the grill time. It is already tender. It is best when you tenderize it this way before you grill it.
We done to that already, man. Remember?
Can I eat some? Yeah.
Yeah, you can probably eat, sir.
Okay, so I'm on the grill now. Yeah.
Let me that be it too. Ah, just sweat it up. So you just put it on top of the grill, just like that. So set up a light so you can see better, but we'll put it on the first set so you can see what's what. Just take it out of the pot. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Women love pork in Jamaica, so if they smell this now, you see them start gathering. So that's about 8 pieces. This was simmered on the stove for about 4 hours on low flame. just to marinate the season inside of the ingredients more and more and more. So that's the soup over there, and this is the jerk pork or roast pork. And we're not really using jerk sauce, so this is roast pork.
So you want to water to the fire. The fire too high.
Oh, so you put a little water in it to keep the temperature down.
Yeah.
You hear that? That's the secret.
Yeah. Yeah, pimento wood.
Yeah, me that said pimento wood is really nice with this. So in the countries, you have some men who have access to pimento wood and cut it down and broke it down. Would that be really nice with this?
You see all the grill dock are wood.
Yeah, I know.
Thing they want to push in the fire are be wood. No coal.
So that's it. We put nearly with a grill size like
Where
this.
pimento tree that wood that come from?
Eh?
Pimento tree that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're using pimento seed wood. Yeah. We're not really using pimento, we're using coal, but pimento seed wood, many in the countries would use that. And the pork will taste really good,
Yeah,
like Boston jerk pork. Yeah, that's what they use.
Wow.
So tell the people where you just, that's a producing thing go again. Alright, ready now, ready.
Yeah.
What we just did,
So what we just did is place the pork on the grill
yeah, we simmered it for 4 minutes, 4 hours.
for 4 hours.
Yeah,
So
I know.
within 30 to 45 minutes, it's all ready to eat.
Yeah, so we're just grilling it now.
So we are just grilling it now.
Alright,
And
cool.
people is outside licking their tongue,
They're waiting.
waiting.
After 45 minutes, taking out the first batch. So that's the jerk pork. Take a piece of your fork and lift it up so the people can see it. So this one piece is for 3 persons or 4 persons. We're going to chop it up and serve it in serving pieces, put it in foil and put sauce on it. Pepper sauce. You see how this look brown and nice? Well done. It's well jerked. It's well roasted properly. And it smells really nice. So that's the jerk pork.